Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive essentials with a detailed look at what we believe is the best 16x6.50-8 wheel and tire combo on the market right now. When it comes to ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly, the right wheels and tires are crucial. The product we're spotlighting today combines durability, performance, and value, making it a standout choice for both enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. Let's start with the build quality. This wheel and tire combo boasts robust construction using premium materials, ensuring longevity and reliability on the road. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged terrain, these components are designed to withstand the elements. Next, let's talk about performance. The specialized design of these tires provides exceptional traction and stability, offering a smooth driving experience even in challenging conditions. This makes them ideal for various vehicles, from ATVs to utility trailers. One of the standout features is the ease of installation. Designed for hassle-free mounting, these wheels and tires can be quickly fitted onto your vehicle, without the need for extensive modifications or professional assistance, saving you time and money. Additionally, durability is key. With a focus on resilience against wear and tear, these components are built to last, reducing the frequency of replacements and maintenance costs over time. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or outfitting a new vehicle, this product offers versatility that adapts to various automotive needs. From recreational outings to industrial applications, its adaptability ensures reliable performance across different environments. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best 16x6.50-8 wheel and tire combination, look no further. This product combines superior build quality, high performance capabilities, and ease of use, making it a top choice among discerning drivers. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.